I'm just gonna put a little bit of rub on these chicken wings, right? What do you think?
So that's just a real simple rub. It has some brown sugar and some smoked paprika and little cumin, salt and pepper.
One way I like to do wings is I like to do them at about 375 degrees for about 45 minutes. And what happens is that chicken wing gets real crispy on the outside, but real moist on the inside. We'll throw them right on the grates.
Right on the grates. Yep. All right, got it. So this is good. All right.
And that constant steady temperature will render some of the fat in the skin, and that'll help keep them moist and
the other
succulent.
thing too, because of that convection, you literally we could put like a bunch of these wings across that top grate on the top of the grill,
like the balcony part of the
and
grill.
just leave them up there. And a lot of times on other grills, that's sort of thought of as a warming zone, somewhere where you put something that's starting to overcook a little bit. With that convection heat, that spot on that top of that grill is just as hot as the main grates. And the other thing, because of that convection, we literally wouldn't even have to turn these wings. We could just leave them on there and they'll cook on both sides evenly.
It's great.
Yeah,
it's awesome.
So it's pretty cool.
And this was just a little rub. We had a little brown sugar. We had a little paprika, a little garlic. You know what's nice about this too? It's like roasting these in the oven.
That's right.
Essentially, because there's one thing that I usually do. Sometimes I'll even boil things a little bit and then just char them on the barbecue, because it's hard. Because then, you know, you get a crispy outside on a chicken wing, but then the inside is still raw.
That's right.
It's just another day here with the family. I mean, they're here all the time, right? And
That looks delicious.
And we're always cooking, right, Grace?
We're always cooking, not where, but yeah.
No, in the house.
Well,
All right.
that looks delicious.
The wings look good? Oh, that looks so good.